Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the 18th and current Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Chauhan took charge of office on 29 November in 2005 when he replaced Babulal Gaur. He is ready to stand in the battle arena once again and win the assembly polls for the BJP slated for 25th November. Here we bring to you a report on Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Chauhan was born on 5th March 1959 to Sundarbai Chauhan and Prem Singh Chauhan, who was a farmer. He is a gold medalist in MA Philosophy. He was an agriculturist by profession before joining politics. He has been married to Sadhana Singh, with whom he has 2 sons. In 1976-77, he participated in the underground movement against emergency and was imprisoned in Bhopal jail for some time. In his early political career, he became a convener of the Akhil Bharatiya Kesariya Vahini in 1991-92. He was elected to the Madhya Pradesh Assembly from the Budni constituency in 1990. Chauhan was elected a member of parliament for the first time in his career in the 10th Lok Sabha from Vidisha constituency in the following year. He has been a 5-term Lok Sabha member representing Vidisha since 1991. Chauhan also served as the party's general secretary and as president of its Madhya Pradesh state unit. He joined the RSS in 1972 as a 13-year-old. In the December 2003 assembly polls, Chauhan contested polls unsuccessfully against the then CM Digvijay Singh from Raghogarh. He was re-elected to the 14th Lok Sabha in 2004 with a margin of over 2,60,000 votes. As the state BJP president, Chauhan was chosen to become the chief minister of MP in 2005. He contested a by-election from the Budni Assembly constituency the following year, winning his old seat by a margin of over 36,000 votes. In 2008, Chauhan retained his Budni seat by a huge margin and led the BJP to a second consecutive victory in the state. On December 2008, he was sworn in for his second term. This report was brought to you by NNIS.